So here we go with the concept, that is relation between EMF and free energy. When a cell produces a current, the current can be used to do work, to run a motor for an instant. The thermodynamic principles can be employed to derive a relation between electrical energy and the maximum moment of work, that is W max, which is obtainable from the cell. The maximum amount of work obtainable from the cell is the product of charge flowing per mole and maximum potential difference, that is E, through which the change or charge is transferred, which can be indicated and represented as equation number 1, that is W max is equal to minus NFE. Over here, this N is indicating the number of moles of electrons transferred and is said to be equal to the valence of the ion participating in the cell reaction, and this F is indicating and stands for Faraday and is equal to 96,495 coulombs. And finally, this E is indicating the EMF, that is electromotive force of the cell. And you can also see here how the electrons are getting to be transferred. So this is the depiction over here. According to thermodynamics, the maximum work that can be derived from a chemical reaction is equal to the free energy, indicated as delta G for a reaction. So this one is indicating the free energy. So from this we can derive equation, that is W max is equal to delta G, that is mentioned as equation number 2. Therefore, from the first equation and second equation, we can write this equation as delta G. Since both the cases of W max is quite common, so we can equate the other sides of the equation. So delta G is equal to minus NFE. That can be mentioned as equation number 3. Thus, only when E has positive value, delta G value will be negative and the cell reaction will be spontaneous, and also the EMF of the cell can be measured. Here this E is referring to the E cell. Thus, the electrical energy supplied by the cell, that is nothing but NFE, is said to be equal to the free energy decrease, which is minus delta G of the cell reaction occurring in the cell. So you can find here how the electrical energy is applied. Hope you got an idea. Thank you for watching. From GTech Techno Solution.